Metamorphic rocks can contain igneous or sedimentary minerals, but often contain minerals that form solely during metamorphosis. First we have garnet, which has many varieties, which are called solid solution series. One of these is pyrrhospite, and the other is ugandite. Well, then we have sillimanite and lucite and kyanite, which are all polymorphs of K-spar. Next there's starlight and diopside, epiphyllite and the series, commentonite to granite and tremolite to ferroactinolite. Then glaucophane, talquelastonite, chlorite, rhodonite, and tigonite and chrysotile, and epidote, and clinozoisite, hey. Then coderite and vesuvianite, titanite, scapolite, lawsonite, pompelliite, topaz, corundum, and chabazite. Well, that's it for the metamorphic minerals that form during metamorphosis.